come to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog at you, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, the not garbage pan. Step up! These are the moments when everybody gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every gangster gun loaded. We not instigate violence, but we believe in a self-defense.
In Jamaica's relentless war and crime, the worst criminals end up on the True Island Stories platform. These are their stories. Welcome to True Island Stories. This is a part few of the other segment of Jahshii, the Farin girl, of the saga, the mix up of the VTT, Ratarete. And the first part, me have the second part of the voice note, you know, but you see me second did I dissect it up for the warrior. You see me, I say, yeah man, a stalwart member of the True Island Story community. So big up yourself. You don't know, you see me, enough respect, you know, big time trader, you know. You see me, I say, big up yourself, and I really appreciate it, man. You see me, so we're going to need first set of voice note, you see me, and we know it out there already, but you know our thing kind of different, we kind of have like a flavor, you see me, but we look at it as joke thing, but serious thing can come out of it, because you say shame make man do whole heap of things, you know, and some serious things. Some man can't take shame. Some man can't take shame. You never know. Some man can't take shame. All my little niece, my little 4-year-old niece, she have so 5. If she poop on it think, tell her if you're bad. Tell her say her poop think. When she comes inside there and pinch you, the last time I say, you cut the cheese on me, come on. Yo, me say she come up close, man, me say and give me a hard pinch on my side and start ball. And the more she start ball, the harder she pinch me. Me can't tell you, say, you know, like shame. I tell her, yellow, so the hombre, shame on that style. You see me, I say, listen back, the second part of everything with that. Listen.
I like to I dog them see, and I say, yo, ease off an artist, man, now where are the boy? Ease off, lift up. You see me? Say, man, I say him last. Man, I say, him no know what just go on. Him no know him last. The man, good girl, you know? Pop star, you see kickers when me show you what they are theme kickers where she bring down theme. Yeah? So you know say dog say him see like she walk like car like him, she tell them say yo she want go in the car. So like them a bring her in the car and stand up dog go see her and stay so. And she reach in the car dog go see her and stay so. And she reach in the car dog guy window say yo mama, you mean you don't know me? What you say? She said, why you keep following me? Why you keep following me? Man say, foreign accent, she give them, you know. And I said, leave me alone, I don't know you. Bumbuckler, man say, I be a man father over there, pop up knife and big matic. I say, pussy. You follow up with general woman, say, ease up off a man car, lift up.
Alright, so, only see second part of voice note. So, who bread back down it, who bread back down it. So, you know, and she spot wagwan, because like the outside I car, and she spot wagwan, so she start complaining on her ball, say, yo, I tell Jahshii, baby, I'm not keeping the good health, I'm not keeping the good health. Can I go sit down in the car? Can I go say, Jahshii, baby, say, yeah man, see, be more over there, so man, go sit down, see, big ride over there, so, market, so, go and sit down in the car and lean, you see, man, she say, alright, boom, but here what? She don't side the way can I move left and leave because she don't see Umbra mill round. You see me because I don't know like somebody call and tell him say yo, you know, she say you be round here dog a fishy around here, Jahshii them man they are jaw man brother. You see me, him not left nothing over both side, everything a come in a boat. You see me I say oh everything a come butter in a boat brother. You see me? Yeah. So, she knows a good man debut in her circumference, you see me? And she want to duck out all proceedings. But she late, because guess what? A man don't prepare. And see when she go in a beamer and go sit down in a cockpit. So, a pilgrim goes so boop and move to her, and you see me, step to her brawling. And I say, babes, what the fuck, come on, what you do? We had a small smell about this. And she pull Oliver Samuels for him. Do I know you? Eh? Get away from me. Where you know me from? Why you hollering out my name? Eh? Do I know you? She pull Oliver on my feet. Do I know you? Eh? Why you hollering out my name? Get away from me, you old sucker, you. Eh? You should treat the pilgrim like a scarred lip when I Bible like Job. Yo, Jahshii Jackie sweetheart, brother. She's starstruck. Yo, all her good dear sneakers in a man. She take cry couldn't get Jackie, you know. Eh? She take care couldn't get Jahshii. All the way from Farin. You see how she evil and her man one, you know. But you know, she say she a play both side of boat, she a play. She a play both in her game. But I pretty she don't know she's just something to do at the moment for Jahshii and them. She's just something to do. If she thinks that she's important. Oh my, she's young, dumb, and full of... Come here. Anybody say... But coming over there... Alright. You understand me? So, my boy show a pop star. You remember my boy show a pop star, man? Yeah, man, back good now. Pop star, remember the kicks and me show you, man. It should bring come give dog. And pop star say, hey. And pop star say, yo, man, boy say, yo, pop star, you know, so I did a month sneak off, dog. Yo, that girl, the wicked man, tell you, pop star. You know what? Way to go, guys. Way to fucking go. Way to put your boss business on blast out there like that. Good job. You know what? Let me clap you. Good fucking job. Way to put your boss business out there on blast like, yeah. Go, run, tell that. You need a microphone? You need to tell like the yeah. Go ahead. Good job. Now both of you, come here. Both of you, come here. Now, sit over there. Both of you. Now, what did you learn? What did you learn? We learned that we're not supposed to put our boss's business out there on blast like that. Ever. Or you're gonna dump in that back and thump out right until the tail get out our mother girl get. Okay. Now run home to your mama and tell her do not give y'all no dinner for the night. Okay? Y'all need to go to your bed hungry for putting out your boss's business out there on blast like that. But hold up. Did I hear somebody in the comment section say, what if dude had foot fungus? And he wore the shoes probably once or twice. And then she brought the shoes home and gave to Josh. Ooh, you don't say that. Stop. Ew. Ew. You're killing me. Stop. Yo, me I tell you, thank you say earlier level. Half hour and say I true. I don't know if you explain the next half, but I set me I work on. So now I'm going to go too far. All stool. You understand? And sit down for a reason. Now the pilgrim go back now. You see me I say? And I tell her if you come. Yo, she pop out foreign accent out her bag. And she like, get away from me. I don't know you. Yo, at 3 times the old hungry belly cock over Jahshii crow. And jump off and you stop to the exchange for the 3rd crow. You see a behemoth and her chick start like, hey boy, lift up. You touch the boss, man. Yo, you can imagine you have your woman, a man, papa, for a chick, and I tell you, say, no, you're digging the boss, man. Just, well, I might have talk too fast, and I might have say it like joke. Stop. Take a breather. Take a breather. Hold your breath. Now think of you have a woman in your yard. You're good woman. who you love and care for. And the next man out there in the road, and she in her next man car, you could all just beat out her belly in the morning. And last night, you see men could have still itch up somewhere up there in her, somewhere them don't drain out properly. I truth me attack, we are grown, we are adults here. Aren't we all? Stop playing, I'm being serious. And she in a man car front. I say she now come out. And come on boy, I go tell you say, if you leave the boss woman, brother, man dead for less than that. That a wholly more than woman would have dead for. Brother, that the man they would all carry all feelings in. Brother, yo, a man have to know him a rampant fire, you know. And some woman they better careful. Lord God Almighty, boy, me I tell you. Jahshii road it, the road where you go down, boy, me I tell you. And some friend that boots the thing, brother. God Almighty. Father God, take the wheel of Jahshii, me I beg you. Do. Because if you don't have people around you, if you tell you, say, no, chill. Sometimes you just want one good girl in a road, boy. To help Bill, you know. To have your back, you know. Just one. Sometimes you need 10, you know. 5, you know. Just one good one. Guys, when you have 10 different resources, 10 different energy, and every woman bring a different energy around you know. And some woman salt. You never know. Some woman go slap all some salt, man, and bring them salt self come around them salt hole. And come salt up your badness. Brother, you have to watch energy and study on nature work. Not every dollar is a good dollar. Not every pom-pom is a good pom-pom. Not every pretty face is a good girl. Not every bridging where kiki and kaka. Some of them even where you grow with, some of them are the worst. Cause them secretly envy you and wish them would have in your space. Brother, sometimes it talk something in it might hot. But me older than you, brother. Me live it, me been there, done that. Where you are strive for, me go through them there already. And me know the badness. You see me? Yeah, man. Make the whole artists them tell you, them go through the walk road. You know, you don't come out and talk all the while. But me I tell you, brother, big up yourself still. Go and live your life and always protect yourself, brother. Remember, you and your family first and everybody else after. Next story I come up, we have a Bigger Ford story for drop today now. Wicked Bigger Ford part 1 and 2. But yeah, time catch up and we like the lal fries. You see me, so yeah, you be tomorrow for drop it today. So go and big up for yourself and go and share the book episode them because I see someone there to watch it. But guess what? You don't understand, you don't miss, you don't watch it and share it, you know. And that's the real knowledge that in the audio book, you know. But guess what? To each his own still. Bless up on yourself. Who watch it, my love, you know. Who share it, me appreciate it a whole lot. That's on my belly. Only per story them, yeah, but the audio book on my belly. Big up and bless up. But if you choose to pick up the gun or the knife, then there's a chance you might end up in Island Stories. What? Well, you choose I am Joy.
Pepper. You know the real G-thing, huh? How I grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buckle, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, who not do that. Boy, who no can't kill with Gyal, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and board. Mind it on him head back and board. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption. I saw the ground rough. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation. I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things forever buried with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't kill with Gyal. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yeah. Yo, now a man better go. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and go. Point it on him head back and forth. Pop off him strap on him friend them for door. None of that, yo, a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Dead rate fit the logistic. Chris, ha, I want the biscuit. Bait of crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging, oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, yo, we live in it. Get rich, I do a special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing, but know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we full of, hey, and we know we trends back from the boy, I wanna do that. Who no can't tell we jar, who no boy. Who from your so we don't know around, boy. Yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Point it on him head back and forth. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, yo, a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, marital corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said song. One wanted man will live long. Name one, himself a lot with no name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with Gyal on the back. Who from your soul don't know what wrong go. Yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a back up and go. Point it on him head back and forth. Pop off him strap on him friend him do it. None of that, yo, you know the thing going on, suck a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take your time, man. Boy, man. Man to them pepper.
See and stay so. And she reaching and carry dog guy window say, yo mama, you mean you don't know me? What you say? She say, get why you keep following me? Why you keep following me? Man say Farin accent she give them you know. And I say, leave me alone, I don't know you. Bumbuckler man say I be a man father over there pop up knife and big matic. I say pussy. You follow up with general woman say ease up off a man car, lift up. I like to a dog them say and I say, yo, ease off a artist woman now we are the boy. Ease off, lift up. You see me? Say man I say him last. Man I say him no know what just go on. Him no know him last. The man good girl you know. Pop star, you see kickers when me show you what they are theme kickers where she bring down theme. Yeah? So you know say dog say him see like she walk like car like him, she tell them say yo she want go in the car. So like them a bring her in the car and stand up dog go see her and stay so. And she reach in the car dog guy window say